Alright, this is what you are going to turn in for your geometry text practice. This is how to do the 3D drawing. There's a top view, a front view, a side view, and a top view. And if you see, they are all shaded right here. This may change for you, but you'll see when you go to build it. So what we're going to do is you want to start with this, and you want to make sure that you've changed the colors of it. And change the colors for the text as well, so it comes out correctly. So we're going to go over and we're going to go to New, and we're going to go to Standard IDW. The other way you can get here is if you go to, you hold your cursor here and you can go to Drawing. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to right click here and you're going to delete this. That gets rid of this at the bottom. Now right now this sheet is too large, so we're going to right click on the sheet, we're going to go to Edit Sheet. We're going to change this to A size, which if you look it says 8.5 by 11. Okay, so that sets your sheet up just like this. This is a very short number of steps. This is step 1, and this is creating the views. Okay, and you can stretch this so it fits. You want to take up as much space of the paper as possible. So for me, 1/2 scale is the best. If you accidentally hit OK, you can either delete this, or you can go to projected view here, and you can project your view one side, or top, side, and then isometric. And you can say create. Okay, or you can start over, it's not a big deal. But if it doesn't come in shaded like this or colored, you can double click and change it to shaded. Okay, and that's the first step. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to come up here to where it says annotate, and you're going to select text. You want to put some text up here or down here, either one. You might have to move a view to do it. I'm going to do it at the bottom this time. And I'm going to put Mr. Raggi and geometry text. And you can see it showing up down here. I need it to be bigger, so let's say 0.25, something like that. Okay, and I'm going to stretch it so it fits. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my dimensions. And this gives me, oops, let's do, you want to dimension enough that it gives you an idea of how big this is and sort of how to recreate this shape. Oops, let's do this. Top to bottom, and then it is kind of important to know the width. And as far as the text goes, if you were to dimension it, it would just make it really, really confusing. But that's pretty good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add text again, and I liked that 0.25, so we'll go back to 0.25, and then I'm going to say top. And then this is really cool. I can click on this text, I can say Control C, Control V, oops, Control V. I can place this top and side. So there's top. I can double click on this, change this to front, and then I can change this to right side, and I can even scoot this down so I can move this closer. And then I'm missing one. I'm going to do this, Control C, Control V, oops. Let's try that again, Control C, V, and I'm going to say isometric. Alright, and there we go. Alright, that's it. And then you can take a picture of this. The best way I think to do that would be to go to Print, and you can choose, you can make a PDF. You can also choose this, or you can go to File and then Export and Image. And then you can make it, whatever you want. I'll do a JPEG. And then you should be able to, when you're done, be able to see it. Okay, that's it.